Bangladesh still suffers from malnutrition, particularly the children and women suffer from malnutrition and undernutrition. And also the food distribution is not equal. Therefore, reduction of food waste and loss is a critical step for Bangladesh in order to ensure the food security. Otherwise, also, there are a number of reasons why this issue should be addressed. If we look at from the economic, environmental, and equity perspective, then several issues can come up. I'll just raise a few because towards the day, there will be a few presentations which will highlight the extent, the value, and the way forward of this issue. So apart from the food security issue, it is also important from economic point of view because food waste means that we are losing out on our economic value in terms of the people who are engaged in the whole ecosystem. For example, the traders, the farmers, the processors, and also the households. So if we can reduce this loss, then we can also save a significant amount of resources. From the resource efficiency point also it is important because as you know that for food production we have to use resources, for example, fertilizer, energy, labor, and also water. So if we can cut down on these, we will also be able to save these resources. And the environmental sustainability point of view, I have mentioned that this is so important because for food we have to use the land and other resources. And if we are just increasing the food waste and loss, it means that we are draining the environmental resources which are quite scarce in the context of Bangladesh. And as you know that Bangladesh is also a country which is quite vulnerable, one of the most vulnerable countries to the impact of climate change. So from that point of view also, it is imperative that we reduce the food loss and waste.